So hey guys, what is up? Pranfist Gamer here, back with another video. So today we're gonna be taking a look on the amazing $1,200 gaming PC build for 2018. So this is gonna be I usually make these kind of videos once a year. So last year also I had made one video. If you missed it out, just go and check it out. Throw a link in the description down below. So without further much ado, let's get straight into the parts for the PC that I have for you today. So starting us strong off is going to be our amazing case, which is going to be the Fantex Eclipse case. This is a really good looking case and quite elegant, bang for the buck. It has awesome LED lights at the bottom, as you can see. It's an amazing case. It has a tempered glass on it, and it can support up to no means it can support how many of graphic cards you want for it, and it also covers your power supply unit, so you don't need to be scared for that bad cable management of yours too. Going ahead with the motherboard, it's gonna be the MSI Gaming Plus. This is a Z370 motherboard, and it's gonna be having 4 DIMM slots, and you can actually like put in 2 graphic cards, and there's gonna be a room for a lot of expandability. So this is a really good motherboard, and I have one advice: don't cheap out on them. These motherboards, they're really good. And then for our processor, we're having the Intel Core i5 8th generation. Yes, you heard me right, it's the 8th generation. It's your boy. This is an amazing chip. It's self-explanatory. There's nothing for me to explain much about it. You know what kind of a beast this is. There are so many videos out there on YouTube saying how good of a CPU this is. Or else you could do one more thing, is that go ahead and buy a fifth or sixth or seventh generation Core i7. That's fine too. To cool this chip, we are gonna be needing a good cooler. So here comes the Cooler Master 212 Evo. Hyper Evo, yep, probably the Hyper Evo. Yep, it's the Hyper Evo. This is the amazing cooler. Whenever our chip is gonna get hot, this is gonna cool it down. Air cooling. I don't wanna make it clumsy or cluttered by water cooling it, cause like it's really pain. Unless you know what you're doing, don't attempt making a water cooled PC, cause you might end up spoiling everything. And for our RAMs, I'm gonna be putting a Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 16 gigs of RAM, just 2 DIMM slots. As you remembered back, we are using the motherboard with 4 DIMM slots, so 2 are gonna be free. So you can either put in more 16 GB to make it 32, or may like put in 32 gigs to make it 64 GB. It's up to you, just depending upon your needs. And going forward, strong is gonna be the graphic card. It's gonna be the MSI Gaming X Radeon RX 470 graphic card. It's an amazing graphic card. Can't go higher than this, because there are just stupidly priced graphic cards out there, like $700 for GTX 1070. Not worth it, according to me. So that's the graphic card. And for our power supply, we are going with a EVGA 600 watt bronze power supply. Amazing power supply. Don't spend a hell lot of money on these power supplies. These are basically the same. Even if you're using an SLI, don't go more than 750 watts. It is gonna be useless unless you're doing some mining work. For our storage, you are gonna be having 2 TB Seagate Barracuda. This is amazing. We can store all of our large files, and if you're a YouTuber like me, you can save all of your raw footage on it without falling short. And in 2018, I think that building a PC without an SSD is stupid. So here we have an 128GB Kingston 128GB SSD. I repeat it again, I'm sorry about that. It's gonna be for our OS and a few applications here, then like for Adobe Premiere to make it boot faster. So that was my amazing PC right there that I have for you. I'll be having all of the links that I mentioned, all of the links for these parts that I mentioned down below. So if you like this video and you wanted to show me that you liked it, make sure to press that like button. It's really easy, just click it down there. And the recent support I'm getting on my channel is amazing, and we just hit 200 subscribers. And don't forget guys, as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing another giveaway, and that's gonna be upon you what giveaway you want. So yeah, let's look forward with the giveaway on 500 subscribers. And I'm Memphis Gamer here, and I'll be sure to see you on the next video. Peace.